Yes.
information for computer and learn how to if we know and don't know anything, so computer will help us.
Okay. Anyone else expecting answer from all of you? That which how can you use the
And
computer? How it is useful in your daily life?
my computer can be used for man sending messages or man chatting,
Mm-hmm.
etc.
Means a communication, you can say. Yes. Anyone else?
And when these days the computer are most important for us because these days the situation is very rare and so that we are learning due to computer online classes.
Okay, online classes nowadays, it's a very important thing. One more thing that in the mobile phone you cannot store much and many files and folders because it's have a limitation of storage. But compared to the mobile phone, the computer have a more storage capacity. Anyone else? You are using in the daily life, but you don't know about it. आप डेली रेगुलरली यूज करते हो मोबाइल सॉरी कंप्यूटर्स का आपने देखा हुआ है किसके लिए यूज होता है फिर भी आप नहीं बता रहे हो ओके
And ma'am, in this COVID-19, we can't meet anyone, so we can send the message
या
by Gmail in the computer.
या दैट्स इट अबाउट द
Ma'am,
कम्युनिकेशन यू कैन
ma'am,
से
we can also do video call from the computer
ये वीडियो
because
कॉल
ma'am,
इज
we cannot meet anyone. So ma'am, we can talk through the video call.
या वीडियो कॉल इज वन ऑफ दिस communication part. Okay, so let's see the characteristics or the advantages of computers. First, speed. You know that how much speed
Ma'am,
computer have. Yes?
ma'am,
Huh?
ma'am, we can also do digital banking.
Yeah, net banking, internet banking, even online shopping also we can do with the computers also. There are the many more uses. जितना सोचोगे उतना आपको पता ही है. But these are the point characteristics. First is the speed. You know that computer have a more speed than the other devices the user like a mobile phone. Mobile phone से ज़्यादा ही speed रहती है computer की. Speed, it can perform the thousand of mathematical operations in a fraction of second. Okay. The speed of computer is measured in the MIPS, millions instructions per second. So it can be read a million instruction per second. So you can understood that how much speed the computer has. Please mute yourself. Accuracy. What is the meaning of accuracy? Whenever you give the input, it will be give you the perfect output, even the right output. So it will be work on the principle of GIGO, garbage in, garbage out. It provide the desired result only if correct and instructions are entered. अगर आपने right instruction दिए तो वो आपको perfect ही output देगा. Please mute yourself. Reliability, it's a very reliable to carry out on the for the different tasks. You know that for a once at a time you can open the different application and you can perform the multiple tasks. अगर आपको painting करनी है तो painting कर सकते हो. At that time, if you want to open the writer, minimize the paint, open the writer. Like that, you can do a multiple task at a time. The result from a computer is always correct unless the user does not provide the wrong data. Versatility, multipurpose machine that can perform the different type of jobs. Not only the two tasks, three tasks, it will be open the multiple tasks. Storage capacity can store the huge amount of data in this memory and it remain there for the future. जब तक आप डिलीट नहीं करोगे तब तक वो आपके कंप्यूटर में सेफ रहेगा. It is used for the communication also nowadays and it is also for the consistency. Then it also for the diligence also. Computer can work for the hours without a break. आपको पता ही है कि एक साथ वो बहुत सारे काम कर सकता है continuously in the offices, in the business purpose. You can say that in the offices there are the lots of hours for the work, so it will be work continuously without any break. तो कोई भी break लिए बिना ही continuously work करता है. So that point will also added in the characteristics of computer. Now next, which are the limitations of computer? What do you think कि कंप्यूटर का यूज करके हम क्या नहीं कर सकते, या फिर उसके डिसएडवांटेजेस हमें क्या हो सकते हैं जब आप कंप्यूटर का यूज करते हैं? टेल मी. अगर आप कंप्यूटर का कंटिन्यूसली यूज करते हो या फिर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि कंप्यूटर का यूज करने से ये डिसएडवांटेजेस हमें होता है, सो यू कैन टेल मी. Anyone?
May I?
Yes.
So sometimes when the internet speed is low or sometimes very high, so
Hmm.
the application means in Chrome or Zoom, sometimes we are just working, so our mind get lazy and we do all things like that. But at that time, we should replace the computer this time.
Okay. Nice. Anyone else? Anyone from your side? Okay, whenever you continuously sitting on the computer, what do you think what will be effect come on your, अब जब,
Then,
हाँ,
can I?
yes,
Then we then we cannot concentrate on anything after that because ma'am we have worked so many years in computer so ma'am हमारा जो दिमाग होगा ना मैम वो उसमें उसी में लगा रहेगा.
okay, जैसे अभी मोबाइल फोन में होता है
Ma'am, may I?
कंटिन्यूसली उसमें, yes.
So ma'am if we use very much more computer then we also can concentrate and we don't get very personal touch with each other.
Okay, so sometimes it will be effect on your mind also, and sometimes it will be effect on your eyes also. So it will be health risk on yours whenever you are using the continuously your computer. One more thing, for example, give me answer. I am logged in my email account on my computer system. जैसा हम कंप्यूटर लैब में गए, मैंने अपना अकाउंट में ईमेल अकाउंट में लॉग इन किया, सब कुछ ऑन कर, एंड आई फॉरगॉट टू लॉग आउट इन माय email account. And from you, one of the students it is sit on the same computer. So what will be happen? अगर मैंने किसी कंप्यूटर में लॉग इन
Ma'am,
किया है,
that person will check your emails.
yes, check my
Mails.
emails, even my personal emails also. Means sometimes whenever you forgot to log out from your account, any account, your Facebook account, your other Instagram accounts, all things are now accessed from the computer. Even WhatsApp is also accessed from the
YouTube
computer.
account also.
So
Google account.
yes, if you have forgot to log out from your account, some of the person can hack your account or check your all the personal details. So there are the many more advantages of computer. With that, there are the some of the limitations of computer. One more thing, uh, computer can never think more than the human being. आपको ऐसा लगता होगा कंप्यूटर विद इन अ सेकेंड में आपको कैलकुलेशन कर सकता है, but some of the human beings are there, they are the faster than the computer also, they can do the calculation without the calci or the computers, वो उनसे भी ज़्यादा फास्ट कैलकुलेशन करते हैं. तो remember one thing, computer can never replace the human being. So let's discuss about the limitations. Computer cannot think and perform the task on their own like a humans. अगर आप कंप्यूटर को बोलते हो, इंस्ट्रक्शन देते हो कि आपको ये टास्क करना है, आपको ये कैलकुलेशन करना है, देन एंड देन कंप्यूटर कैन वर्क. इट विल बी नॉट थिंक देयर सेल्फ, वो खुद से नहीं सोचेगा और खुद से वर्क नहीं करेगा लाइक अस. वी आर थिंक अवर सेल्फ, वी कैन डू अवर वर्क बाय ओन. कंप्यूटर कैन नॉट बी वर्क बाय इट्स ओन. Incapable of decision making, as they do not possess the knowledge, information, wisdom, and intelligence required to take a decision. As I said, they're like a human being. Cannot express their own ideas, they can only take instruction from the user and give you the output. इट डोंट गिव योर आइडिया कि इसकी अच्छा जगह पे आप ये करोगे तो ज्यादा अच्छा रहेगा, लाइक दैट। यस, robots are the different thing, they can do this thing because the most intelligence technology are developed in the robotics, so that's why they are think like a human being but they cannot feel like a human being. This is the most disadvantage of robots. From that, there is a one movie is also that a robot movie, I think, of the Rajnikant. That is depend on the AI, artificial intelligence. It can store the information but not use or implement it without instruction from humans. Human instruction नहीं देगा तो आगे कुछ काम नहीं करेगा। हेल्थ रिस्क मैंने आपको बताया, प्राइवेसी भी मैंने आपको बताया कि कोई भी आपका मेल चेक कर सकता है, आपका अकाउंट चेक कर सकता है। इवन sometimes what happen whenever you are using a computer continuously it will be press the hitting। जब आप continuously कंप्यूटर का यूज करते हो तो उसमें से हीटिंग बाहर आती है, दैट विल बी डेंजरस फॉर द एनवायरमेंट, वो एनवायरमेंट पे भी इफेक्ट कर रहा होता है उस टाइम पे। इवन नाउअडेज पहले हम कैलकुलेशन होता था, बिल्स होते थे, हाथ से बनाते थे, बिल बुक होता था, बट नाउअडेज देयर इज अ ओनली a computerized bill provided you, so at that time the bill person is a different one, so that labor work is also down using of computers. So these are the limitations of computers. Okay, so now here we've done our chapter. If you have a query you can ask me, and otherwise we will be solve our exercise.
And I am not like that.
Huh?
And I'm also please say to computers that think only computer do. Computer don't think extra.
Yeah, if that point is come now, it cannot never think extra. It can be just
Yeah.
take the instruction and do their work only. Okay, so now we will be solve the exercise. Everyone, please open your textbook and be fast that I have other class also.
Mama, I don't have